Express, where we do our grocery shopping. And there's one of the owners, Maurizio, out there sorting things out, putting up the notices about the specials today. But let's go in and see what's at the counter. And here we are. This is the counter of all the sliced meats, the affettate as the Italians would call them. Prosciutto cotto, there it is, mortadella. We have prosciutto crudo, salt-cured ham, pancetta, bacon, dried sausages, various types of sausages. And then we move right over to all the cheeses. Parmigiano is there, of course. Scamorza right here. Mozzarella. Ooh, this is buffalo mozzarella from the Campania area. And then we have mozzarella of Umbria. This is from Todi. Various types of mozzarella. We have soft cheeses. This gentleman is looking for prosciutto, so he's heading over there. We have caciotta, which is cow's milk. Misto di Betona, from the hill town of Betona. Pecorino fresco, fresh sheep's milk cheese. From Broccatelli, the caseificio or cheese-making place of Santa Maria degli Angeli. And look at this goodness. Liver pate, olives, pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, little hot red peppers stuffed with tuna, artichokes, tuna, pine nuts. All the goodness is here for you. And don't forget to buy your bread before you leave. Head home and enjoy a buon appetito with all the goodness from Carrefour.